In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for better team and group scheduling. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to log in, invite your teammates, and set up a group event with a clear attendee limit so scheduling is smooth and organized. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Login, enter your email address, then choose Continue. On the next screen, type your password and continue again. This takes you into your Calendly account. If you land on your dashboard with your event types, you're in the right place. From here, look for the Admin Center. This is where you manage people and permissions for your organization. Open the Admin Center, then select View Team to see your current members. To add more people, click Invite Users. In the invitation form, enter the work email addresses for the teammates you want to bring into Calendly. Use their official addresses so invitations are less likely to be blocked, and so permissions match your organization's setup. When you're ready, click Next. Set roles. Roles determine what each person can do. Assign broader permissions only to those who actually need them, such as team leads who manage event types or settings. Keeping most users as standard members is usually best for simplicity and security. Once roles look right, click Send Invitation. Calendly will email each person with a link to join your organization. After sending, choose Back to Home to return to your main dashboard. Now let's set up a group scheduling option. Open Event Types, then select Group Event. A group event allows multiple invitees to book the same time slot, which is perfect for trainings, webinars, or office hours. In the event settings, find Invitee Limit. Click it to control how many people can book each time. Enter the number of invitees you want to allow in a single session. This prevents overbooking and helps you plan capacity, whether it's a small cohort or a larger group. When you're done, click Save Changes. That's it. You've logged in, invited your team with the right roles, and configured a group event with a specific attendee limit. As a best practice, double-check time zones, add a clear description so invitees know what to expect, and consider buffer times to avoid back-to-back overload. With these settings in place, your team and group scheduling in Calendly will be organized, predictable, and easy for everyone to use.